In today's video, I'll show you on how you can check BVN on Opay application. The first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the Opay application on your mobile devices, and it will take us to the main account dashboard, which will show us our balance and some additional information. Now, you mainly want to navigate through your profile icon by clicking on this specific button right here. You will be able to see this at the top left corner of your screen. Once inside, you then want to scroll down and look for the account tier setting. You simply want to click on this option right below the Opay account number, and from there we will then be taken to some additional informations like our name, the NIN, the linked mobile number, and the linked BVN mobile number. But right beside that, we also have the VBN number right here. Now, if in some cases you cannot see your own BVN, what you want to do is to navigate through the account dashboard once more, and you want to unhide the available balance right here. From there, navigate back to the account tier, and the VBN will now show up. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.